Water is vital for human survival and it's a planet's patrimony. The Article 1 of the Universal Declaration on Water Rights, written by the UN, indicates that every continent, every people, every nation, every city, every citizen needs to take responsibility in the eyes of each other. In the world, 3/4 of the surface is covered in water. 97% is salt water, and only 3% is drinkable. Of that 3%, approximately 0.01 relates to rivers and lakes, our main sources of supply. One of the largest hydrous reservoirs in the world is located in Brazil, which concentrates close to 15% of the planet's superficial drinking water. Domestic, commercial, and industrial use consume up to 41% of the water available in the country. Besides the low availability of drinking water in the planet, there are two other major problems: waste and deforesting. Scientists calculate that in the year of 2025, around 2.43 billion people won't have access to water. In Brazil, 40% of the treated water supplied to users is wasted. Each person requires 40 liters of water per day. However, the Brazilian average is 200 liters. The deforesting of the source regions and the pollution of rivers also aggravate this situation. 45% of the population has no access to treated water, and 96 million people live without sewerage. Leal initiated its activities 13 years ago in Joaçaba, Santa Catarina State, with the objective of preserving nature. The company's ideal is to design, build, install, put in practice, and advise the operators of water, effluent, and mud treatment stations. Leal designs and builds water treatment stations, effluent treatment stations specialized in providing industrial and public supply water, mud treatment stations, water for reuse treatment stations, reduced hydroelectric centrals, chillers, high-efficiency floaters. Leal has a wide product line. In addition to water and effluent treatment stations, the company supplies decanters, chemistry houses, physical chemical stations, and special parts made of glass fiber, such as partial flumes, hydrometer boxes, suction bells, screens, and water gates. Leal advises, researches, designs, and develops specific solutions that meet the needs of the industries and the society. And, allied to clients and suppliers, the company aims at preserving the environment and working for the sustainable growth of Brazil. Currently, Leal is working in nearly all Brazilian states, and it has consolidated partnerships with professionals, companies, laboratories, and universities. The company's concern with the environment is also built up through Leal's materials, which produce equipment and parts made of glass fiber. Leal fibers have the versatility to work with each client's specific project, counting on quality manpower and raw material. Leal values our most precious natural source, water. In our method, the treated water either returns to the river in accordance with the applicable law, or it returns to the industrial process, thus closing a circuit. Leal's head office is located in Joaçaba, where it relies on over 100 collaborators aiming at an efficient and versatile treatment. Leal has a team of specialized engineers working on the development and research of projects that are able to meet the client's every need. Leal works in order to encourage the cares towards the environment and water preservation, an essential good to human survival. Leal, treating water, caring for life.